Spanish needles, butterfly needles, shepherd's needles, and beggarticks are common names for Bidens Alba. This nutritious plant is easily identified by its beautiful white and yellow flower and is often found all over Jamaica. Do you have this plant growing in your backyard? More than likely. Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. This is episode 4 of our Jamaican Herbal Remedies series, where we learn about the health benefits of plants that can be found in Jamaica. If you enjoy learning more about herbs, Montego Bay and Jamaica as a whole, plus seeing the real-life views of Jamaica through walking and driving videos, then hit the like button, subscribe, and join the tribe. And don't forget to share and leave a comment also. Thank you. The full playlist will be linked below for you to enjoy. Now, the Spanish needle plant is very common in Jamaica and is often found growing in the wilds. It's a prolific weed that can be found in gardens, on the roadside, farm fields, and disturbed sites. Its flowers are similar to daisies with flower heads that feature white petals and yellow central blossoms. These will yield approximately 1,200 needle-like seeds per plant. Hence, it's understandable why these plants are seen everywhere. They spread quickly as the seeds are transported not only through the wind and water, but also by animals and humans alike. If you have been in any area with Spanish needle plants, you will inevitably come out with the seeds attached to your clothing. They can grow from their seeds, but they can also be regrown from their stems. Okay, so let's move on to the uses and benefits of the Spanish needle plant. Now, number 1, Spanish needle attracts both honeybees and butterflies and serves as a source of nectar for them. But it's not just food for the butterflies and the bees. Number 2, the flowers are said to have a nice peppery flavor and can be used as garnish. Number 3, Bidens Alba are said to have more minerals than domesticated spinach. And so you know that in some cultures they are cooked like spinach and eaten. It's eaten in South Africa and India and yes, Jamaica, and I'm pretty sure in other parts of the world also. However, it's not widely used in Jamaica. I've only heard about a few people that have used it as food, cooking it like callaloo. And after watching so many YouTube videos of people cooking it, I'm now tempted to try it. Now, I'm going to leave a link to 2 of the videos I watched and you can check them out for yourself. Now, both the stems and leaves of the Spanish needle are consumed dried or fresh, but are considered more potent fresh. The younger plant is eaten as the older plants are bitter and may upset the stomach. These ones are much tinier. Before I move on, I want to know if you've ever eaten this raw or cooked, and if you haven't, do you think you would try it? Number 4. Here's a list of some of the proclaimed medicinal properties of the Bidens Alba. It's considered a tonic for the blood and mucous membrane. It's said to be anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-malarial, anti-diabetic, neuroprotective, hypoglycemic, hypertensive. Some say that it has antiseptic and astringent properties and is able to provide relief from flatulence and protect the liver. If you've tried this herbal medicine before or you plan on trying it, let me know in the comments. Want to learn more about herbal teas and their benefits? Watch this next video. See you next time.